Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm starting with these stiletto nails. They already have base coat on, and I'm gonna get this nail polish. I don't know what color this is, but it's like a very light purple. And I am doing 2 coats of this. Okay, so for the rest of my nails, I'm gonna be using this Beetles gel polish in the color black, and I'm doing 2 coats of this one as well. All right, and this is how my set is looking like so far, and I'm gonna be getting this glitter here, and I'm gonna be adding a thin coat to all the nails. All right, so now I'm gonna be adding a nice layer of top coat, and then I'm gonna be curing them. So I decided to make these little pumpkins on my Cricut, and I am gonna be layering the orange ones on the black nails just like that. And for the purple ones, I am gonna be layering the black first and then the orange pumpkins on top, just so you could see the mouth, the nose, and the eyes. Of course, I'm making sure that they're well secured, and I'm going to be adding a top coat and curing these as I go. And these are how my nails are looking with the little pumpkins. And now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. So I got these from Amazon. They're like orange with a couple of other colors. So I'm going to be grabbing some of these and then also grabbing some of the clear rhinestones as well. And I'm going to be using my favorite glue from Model Ones. So I never have an idea of how I'm going to be placing my rhinestones, so I'm just going to leave you guys to see how my nails turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I decided to do something different with one of the nails. I decided to go back with the light purple lilac color, and I'm going to be doing some drips for one of the black nails. All right, and this is how my set turned out, guys. I literally feel like these are my favorite set that I've created for this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.